Hello and welcome to my channel Unusual Creates. Today I'm going to do this interesting wire art which involves writing words using wire. This is a pretty fun DIY where you can write anything but using wire. But before I start, if you're new to my channel, then thank you for stopping by. Hope you like my effort, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on your post notifications to get your regular updates on my video uploads. Now, let's start creating. I'm starting off by finding the center of this wood piece, which is 7 inch wide and 24 inch long. I'm going to measure and leave a gap of 3 inch from the right hand side for my plant. Then write or print any word of your choosing. I have used welcome as my word. This will act as a template and will be a guide for us to keep all our letters uniform and precise. Next, I took my wire and started to follow my template. Here I'm using an aluminium wire in the thickness 2.5 mm. Try to follow the word as closely as possible, but if you deviate a bit, that is fine too. Make sure to use some kind of tape to keep the letters fixed to the board, or it would be difficult to work. To remove any kinks, I have used the rolling pin method, the one that I used in my other video of wire art. If you want to know more about it, make sure that you check that video, the link to which I will leave in the end. The difficult part of writing a word with the wire would be working with letters that require a fold or a loop, like the letter O, M, W and C. For that purpose, you can use the long pointed nose pliers and press the loops together so that the two lines of the wire look as one. Once you have finished writing the word, remove all the tapes. Now you can leave the wire as it is or color it depending on how you want your end product to look like. I decided to paint mine in black, for which I used black acrylic color. Next, it's time to prep your wood. Sand it properly and use a wood stain or paint if you want, or simply use the natural color of the wood. Make sure to use a good protective coating if you want to leave the natural color as it is. I have used a mix of shellac and paint thinner for this purpose. Next, stick a kitchen towel or any sheet on the wood surface. You will soon see why I'm doing this. I'm using finished nails in the length 1/4 inch to join the word on the board. To make it secure, hammer nails in the loop part of the letters. Now I know these nails will be sticking out from the other end as they are a bit long for my board, but I will eventually bend them from the other side. You can also choose to use shorter finished nails. I did not have them, so I chose to work with what I had. If you decide to paint the wire like how I did, there would be some chipping while nailing the word on the board. You can again go in and paint those parts, and here is where that kitchen towel will come handy. It will make sure that your board remains protected from any paint being accidentally spilled on the board. Once your paint is dry, remove this towel by simply pulling it off. To decorate this board, I'm going to attach this cactus on the board. But before that, I want to change the color of the spot, for which I'm going to use this self-adhesive paper which I got from Amazon. I will leave a link to it in the description box in case you're interested. For sticking the plant to the board, I'm using these fastener tapes from Scotch. I finished it by using the same tape on the back for hanging. You can use twine or some of the same wire to hang it. You can of course modify this project and write your own words or names of your friends or family, or maybe even quotes using wire. The sky is the limit while making word wire art. You can also introduce your kids to writing letters using wire and get them involved to make interesting pieces for their room. You can also use artificial plant or flowers if that's what you like to decorate your board, or leave it as it is. This is a simple, elegant and a quick DIY that you can use to hang on your main door or decorate your living room or hallway and make it look more vibrant and welcoming. If you decide to give word wire art a try, I would love to know what word or sentence you decide to create. Share it with me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this word wire art DIY. If you liked it, then please smash that like button and make sure to comment your views, questions or feedback in the comment section. And yes, please subscribe for more cool DIY projects. Also make sure that you click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to turn on your notifications to know about my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you soon with another DIY project. Till then, take care and stay safe.